Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and very soft blanket. It's a baby blanket but a little bit bigger size. It's 90 centimeters square. You can use it as a lap blanket, TV blanket. It's up to you. And for this, I use this yarn Utopia Crafts Cuddle Ombre. One ball is 100 grams, 45 meters, and with this I use a 12 millimeter hook, and I use 700 grams, 7 balls of yarn for this size. Hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch you will need multiples of 6 plus 1. For the bigger size I used 49 chains, 48 as multiples of 6 and one more. Now I'm gonna make 18 plus 1, 19 chains. When you complete the chains, just yarn over, turn back, skip 1, 2 chains, insert into this next one. Grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our first double crochet. Don't count this chain 2 as anything. Insert into the next and make a double crochet. Into the next, a double crochet. And for this row we will only put one double crochet into each chain. That's the last one. Chain 1, turn. This pattern is 2 row, actually 4 row repeat, but all similar. Into this first stitch we are gonna put a single crochet. Without yarning over, insert into the stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first single crochet. We are gonna make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and with this first one it's 5. For the next stitch we will make a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We made a treble. Then we are gonna make 5 single crochets, and that's our repeat. 5 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a treble. 1, 2, 3. You are gonna repeat this as long as your stitch. Then in the end you will have 5 more stitches. Just put single crochets. And 5. We complete the second row and that's the right side. We are gonna use this side as the right side. Chain 2, turn. Again, do not count this chain 2 as anything. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch, make a double crochet. And we are gonna put 1 double crochet into each stitch. You see this one? Put a double crochet. Keep making. That's the end of the third row. Chain 1, turn. For the row 4, we are gonna make single crochets and trebles again, but we will not make 5 single crochet then a treble. Now we are gonna make 2 single crochets, then a treble. You will start like this, and now 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a treble, five single crochets, treble, and in the end you will have 2 more stitches left. You are gonna make 2 single crochets, chain 2, turn, and that's our repeat. We are gonna make a double crochet row, turn back, 5 single crochets, a treble. Just keep repeating these 4 rows again and again. I'm gonna make this a little bigger, then I'm gonna show you how to make the border. I made it a little bigger. Now we are gonna start to make the border from here. Chain 1 and insert into this last stitch here, put a single crochet. Okay, this will be our corner. When I turn back here, I'm gonna put 1 more single crochet here to complete the corner. Now we have side double crochets and single crochet posts here, as you know. For a double crochet, we are gonna put 2 single crochets. For a single crochet row, we are gonna put only 1 single crochet. Now we made the first one, we have double crochet. We made the first one, we are gonna put 1 more. That's a single crochet. We are gonna put 1 single crochet here. That's the next double crochet. You can put the first one into this stitch and second one around here or into this post. Single crochet, put 1, double crochet, put 2, 1, and we have a double crochet here. Let me count my stitches. It's 9. Now around this double crochet I'm gonna put 1. You can put the second one here or into this chain. Okay, then chain 2 into this same chain, put 1 more, and you are gonna put 1 single crochet into each chain. I made 16, that's the last one. 17, chain 2 into same place, put one more, and around this 2 chains put 2. Okay, that's a double crochet row, so we made 2. That's a single crochet, make only 1, and double crochet, make 1, 2, only 1, 1, 2, and we are gonna make 1 here, and that's a double crochet row. We will put 1, and next one we can make it into the stitch. Chain 2 into the same place, put 1 more, and keep making. I'll meet you here. That's the last one. I'm gonna put 1 single crochet here, chain 1, insert into this first stitch. We will not make 2 chains and join with a slip stitch. We are gonna join with a single crochet. Okay, chain 1, insert into the stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. So we can directly start from the corner. Now we are gonna make 5 double crochet shells, but only for the corners we are gonna make 7. And since I'm at the corner, I'm gonna make half of it right now. When I turn back, I will complete this. Chain 3 as the first double crochet. Into the corner, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and with this one it's 4. Okay. Skip 1, 2, insert into the next single crochet, make a single crochet, yarn over, skip 2, into the third, make 1, 2, 3, and into this third one I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3 chains and a picot. Okay, you see this right stitch, I'm gonna insert from here and insert from this post, grab the yarn, pull through, and keep making 1, 2. It's totally 5 double crochets with a picot. Skip 2 into the third, put a single crochet, skip 2, and we are in the corner. I'm gonna make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into this fourth one, on the top of it I'm gonna make a picot. 1, 2, 3 chains, make a slip stitch, make 3 more double crochets, skip 2 into the third, put a single crochet, skip 2 into the third, make 1, 2, 3, a picot, 2 more, skip 2 2, skip 2, and instead of having 2 stitches here, I have only 1. It's not important, just skip this and make 7 here with a picot, of course. Skip 2, make a single crochet, just turn around the blanket with this way. In the end, I have 2 stitches left into this corner. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, insert into this third chain, join with a slip stitch, and we are gonna make a picot here. Don't forget this. You can make one more chain and cut the yarn. And it's finished. That's all. Hope you liked the tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.